Hi, in today's video we'll look at how to compare and order decimals. I have a set of decimals here, 2.3, which is the same thing as 2.30, 2.09, 2.32, 2.27, and 2.37. Alright, so the way we order decimals is actually the same way we order whole numbers. Just check the place value, compare the digits to the place value, and start from the least to the greatest if you're to order from the least to the greatest. So let's order from the least to the greatest right here. Like I said earlier, 2.3, let me leave this as 2.3, so I'll explain this. 2.3 is the same thing as 2.30. Okay, you can add zeros to the end of decimals, and those zeros do not matter. So far, there's a non-zero digit after it. Okay, so I can add zeros here, zeros here, zeros here, zeros if I need to compare numbers in that place value. So let's start with the whole numbers. Let's compare the whole numbers. The whole numbers, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, they're the same. So we have to move on to the next place value, which is the 10th place, according to the decimal place value. So here we have 3, we have 0, we have 3, we have 2, we have 3. What's the least? 0. So we'll start with 2.09. We'll take this out. What's the next? 3, 3, 2, 3. This is the next decimal with the least digit in the 10th place. So this number is followed by 2.27. Okay, we take this out. Let's compare the 10th place again. 3, 3, 3. Okay, we have the same digits in the 10th place, so we need to move on to the 100th place. Here we have nothing in the 100th place. Remember, we can add a 0 just to compare digits, and it's going to be the same number. It doesn't affect the value of the number. It just helps us to know the position of the 0, to compare digits at the same position. So we have 0 here, we have 2 here, we have 7 here. So what's the list? 2.30, which is the same thing as 2.3. And then this is out of what we're comparing. We're left with 2 digits, 2 decimals. We have 2.32 and 2.37. It's obvious which is lesser. 2.32. This is 2. This is 7. So this is 2.32, and then the greatest would be 2.37. So that's how to compare and order decimals. It's just the same way you compare and order whole numbers. Look at the place value and compare the digits at the place value. From the whole numbers, the ones place, the tens place, whatever digits are in the whole numbers place value, and then you move on to the decimal place value, the tenths, the hundredth, the thousandth, and so on. With this, we've come to the end of this video. You need to always remember that you're loved, you're smart, the world needs you. Until we meet in the next video, you know you have to keep on being the best version of yourself. Bye for now.